Okay, these are your 210 notes, and we're going to take all the skills we've been practicing and put them together in one happy problem. So the first thing I need you to know is, so what we're going to be doing is we're going to be graphing inequalities and writing interval notation. We've done that, but the difference is these guys are in absolute value now, which means they're in jail. So we're going to have to remember how to get them back out of jail like we did earlier. So, and you remember, like if I had x is equal to 5, I would say when absolute value of x, when he comes out of jail, he has two choices. He can be positive or he can be negative, remember? Well, when I have an when I have an inequality instead of an equal sign, the first one will be written exactly like the original problem. But the second one, when he becomes negative, he flips. So I like to remember he's crazy. He flips out. He gets out of jail, flips out, and goes bad. So to help you remember that, I need you to write at the top, when you set up the negative/bad answer, flip the sign. So be sure to write that across the top of your paper. So, because when I set up my negative guy right here, I flipped over my inequality. So if I were going to graph this, I would say solid circle on 5. And it's going to go that way. And this is going to be a solid circle on negative 5. Going to go that way. So to write that in interval notation, negative infinity, negative 5 bracket, or bracket 5 infinity parenthesis. Okay? So that tells me that if your problem starts with greater than, equal to, or greater than, then it will be an or problem. If you start with less than or equal to or less than, then it will be an and problem. Okay, so this one right here, it's starting with less than, so we know it's an and. All right, he doesn't have any visitors, so he gets to come out of jail. And when he comes out of jail, he can make positive choices and be positive. Or he can totally flip out and be wild and crazy, flip out and make negative choices. Either way. So I've got solid circle on 8, solid circle, that's solid, I promise, on negative 8, and they're an and, so I connect them. Interval notation, bracket, negative 8, 8, bracket. Okay, so this is the most important thing you need to glean from today. That greater than is an or, less than is an and. So there's 4 steps we're going to take to solve these problems. First, we're going to isolate the absolute value. That means I'm going to move everybody away that's visiting. Then I'm going to set up 2 problems. You're positive or you're flipped out negative. We're going to solve them both. Then we're going to graph them. Okay? So let's do this first one. This is just what we did. No one's visiting jail, so he gets to come out and make positive choices. He also gets to come out, flip out, and make negative choices. This one started as a less than, so we know it's going to be an and. So open circle on 7, open circle on negative 7. They run together. these are pretty easy to write interval notation for. This one is starting as a greater than or equal to, which just tells me I know it's going to be an or. So he gets out of jail and he makes positive choices. He gets out of jail, totally flips out, and makes negative choices. So we know it's an or, so the arrows are going to go away from each other. So when I read this from left to right with my magical lightsaber, the first thing I come to is that arrow that's pointing to negative infinity. Negative infinity to -4 bracket, or bracket 4 to positive infinity. Number 3, so he's in jail, and when he went to jail he had $1 with him. So when he comes out of jail, he's going to come out with his $1. So x minus 1 gets to come out of jail, and he can make positive choices, or x minus 1 totally flips out and makes negative choices. So when I add 1, I get x is less than 7. And when I add 1 to this one, I get x is, sorry, that was x is greater than 7. This is x is less than -5. And I know from when I look up top that this is going to end up being an or. So 7, open circle on the 7, going that way. Open circle on the 5, going that way. Interval notation is negative infinity to -5, or parenthesis 7, infinity, parenthesis. All right, number 4. I can already tell just by looking at it, I know it's going to be an and. So he gets to come out of jail, x plus 2, and he can make positive choices, or he can come out, totally flip out, and make negative choices. Either way, I'm going to subtract 2. So x is going to be less than or equal to 5, or x is going to be greater than or equal to -9. 5. -9, connect them, oops, those are supposed to be brackets, -9, 5. Okay, I'm going to do one more example. I need you to flip over. These got put in the wrong order. So flip over to the 4th page, and it'll look like this page right here. Okay, and when you find this page, I would like to do number 6 with you. Okay, so he's in jail, but he also has a visitor. And do you remember that you cannot get out of jail until your visitors leave? So I moved the 1 away, and that made a 6. Now he can get out of jail. When he gets out of jail, he has 2 choices. He can be positive, or he can get out of jail, and flip out and be negative. I am on the struggle bus. Okay, so I'm going to subtract 3. X is less than 3. X is greater than -9. I also know just by looking at that in the beginning that that one is going to be an or. Nope, kidding. That one is going to be an and. So -9, open circle. 3, open circle. Run them together. -9 and 3. Okay, now that we've done examples of all of these, I want you to go back, flip back now to the 2nd page. It looks like this. I just want you to do number 4 and number 7, okay? That's all. 4 and 7. When you are done, turn your notes and this into me. Thank you.